Bible knowledge.
I will try to explain the Trinity.
So I'm going to attempt to properly give you the understanding of the Trinity. First, let's state clearly what the Trinity is not. The Trinity is not three gods, three modes of one God, or three divine essence. The Trinity is three persons and one divine essence. In other words, there are three persons, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, who share one divine nature. The Trinity is like a triangle. A triangle has three corners, but it is still one triangle. Jesus shares in the one divine nature, but he also has a distinct human nature. Jesus is one who, with two whats, a divine what, and a human what. God is three whos, Father's who, Son who, and Holy Spirit who. In one, what that is three persons and one divine nature. Athanasius, one of the early church fathers, said the incarnation was not the subtraction of a deity, it was an addition to humanity. Indeed, when Jesus was conceived, he did not cease being God, he simply added a human nature. The Trinity, three persons, one nature. Jesus, one person with two natures. Another way to look at it, Jesus is not Father, Father is not Spirit, Spirit is not Jesus. But Jesus is God, Father is God, Spirit is God. How does this help us deal with objections 2 and 3? Well, since Jesus has two natures, whenever you ask the question about him, you really have to ask two questions. For example, did Jesus know his second coming? Well, as God, yes. As a man, no. Did Jesus know all things? As God, yes. As a man, no. In fact, in Luke 2:52, it admits that Jesus increased in wisdom. Did Jesus get hungry? As God, no. As a man, yes. Did Jesus get tired? As God, no. As a man, yes. The Trinity also helps us understand the sense in which Jesus declared the Father is greater than I. The Father and Son are equal in essence, but different in function. This is like an earthly relationship. For example, an earthly father is equally human with his son, but a father holds a higher office. Likewise, Jesus and the Father have different offices, but are both equally God. And when Jesus added humanity, he voluntarily subordinated himself to the Father and accepted limitations inherent with humanity. This is exactly what Paul explains in his letter to the Philippians. But Jesus never lost his divine nature or ceased being God, summarizing the difference between Jesus and the Father.